Storing call notes and meeting recaps doesn't need to be complicated. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it easily so you can stay organized and never lose important details again. We all know how chaotic it can get when you're juggling multiple meetings or calls. You take notes during a meeting, but when it's time to recap or share that information, it's all over the place. The good news is there's a better way. Let's dive into how to store those call notes and meeting recaps effortlessly. First things first, centralization is key. Instead of using multiple apps or even paper notes, you need to get everything in one place. The software we'll be using in this tutorial will let you do that. It's simple, easy to navigate, and most importantly, keeps everything organized. The software allows you to store notes from calls and meetings, attach related files, and even tag important moments for quick retrieval later. This is crucial for busy professionals or anyone who needs to quickly reference past discussions. Here's how it works. After your call or meeting, open the software and immediately start typing your meeting recap. No need to worry about losing information or scrambling to find the right spot later. It also lets you store these recaps in specific folders or categories, so everything is neatly sorted by topic or project. This way, when you need to revisit a particular conversation, it's right there at your fingertips. One of the most helpful features is the ability to add voice recordings. Let's face it, sometimes typing everything out can be a pain, and some points are just better said than written. With this software, you can record your thoughts, and it automatically transcribes them so you get both the audio and the text. Perfect for when you're on the go and don't want to type everything out. Another great feature is integration with other tools. You can sync this software with your calendar or task manager, ensuring that all your notes from a meeting or call are linked with the right tasks or appointments. This saves you time by keeping everything connected without the need to switch between apps constantly. Now you might be thinking, how do I get started? Well, I've got you covered. I've tried out all the popular tools and I'm recommending this software because it's simple, effective, and makes storing call notes and meeting recaps easy. Plus, I have secured an exclusive free trial just for you, the viewers of my channel. You can follow along with this tutorial and get a feel for how it works. Check out the link in the description below to start your free trial. Before we close, let's do a quick recap. We talked about the importance of centralizing your notes and using a software that organizes everything for you. We also discussed the added benefits of voice recordings and task integrations, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description so you can start streamlining your call note and meeting recap process today. Key takeaway: the easiest way to store call notes and meeting recaps is by using a single software that centralizes everything: notes, recordings, and integrations. Keep your workflow organized and save time. Thanks for watching, and remember, the exclusive free trial link is right below, so check it out and get started today.